Hi guys, and welcome to yet another episode of What's on My Table. And today we have a Saramonic Blink500 B2 Plus microphone. This is a lovely microphone which has got two wireless transceivers and one receiver. And it's completely wireless. It's got compatibility with your camera. It's got compatibility with your phone. It's got compatibility with your C-type port and also your Apple devices. So now let's go ahead and open it and see how this works. So you can see there are two transmitters and one receiver, and we're going to go ahead, open this box and see what's in it for us. So currently I'm recording on a DJI Mic Mini version 1, and let's go ahead and open this box. So we've opened this guy with a bit of difficulty. The box is a little hard to open, but yeah, that said, looks like there are two compartments here, and you know which one we're going for. I'm sure this is the documentation, and this must be a lovely little mic. So as always, we want this particular unboxing to be very special. Let's keep this aside here so we can check it out later. And this box, the empty box, can be kept on one side so we can see it as we go ahead and unbox. So it says it's made for iPhone and iPad. So let's keep this right here so we can keep looking at it while we're doing the unboxing. So this comes out with this packaging. This is empty, so we keep it aside. And let's go ahead and pull this guy out. I'm sure this is a part of their unboxing experience, but I'd rather just pull it out so I can put it back just in case I have to. Now this looks beautiful. Undoubtedly my first Saramonic device. I've heard a lot about this brand, but have never been able to use it because I never bought one so far. So you can see this checkered design is very classic. It's got the feel of an amplifier. This has got a charging port here. And yes, it's got a charge indicator too. Let's go ahead and open it. Ooh, definitely looks very premium. I think the receivers are slightly larger than the others in the competition, like Rode and of course DJI and Hollyland. So let's go ahead, pull one of these guys out. They're pretty big. Let me show you a size comparison right away because we're just doing a unboxing along with DJI Mic Mini version 1. So they're almost, I'd say, double the size. Well, almost. You can just see them. They kind of like each other because the magnet, by the way, they're almost double the size. You can see the thickness too. Thickness is pretty much the same. But definitely this looks very premium. Looks very neat. We'll do an audio test of these pretty soon because this was only the unboxing experience. It's got the Saramonic logo on it. So I've taken the magnets off. No magnets now, but this is a clip just in case you want to clip it. And of course you got a power button and you've got a noise cancellation NC button. And of course the charging port just in case you want to charge it separately, I suppose. And your two transmitters. Let's keep these right here. Let's have a look at the receiver. The receiver definitely looks quite elaborate. It's got the similar design of the box and the mic. It's got a display which shows you what the levels are like, and we'll test this again for you since this is an exclusive unboxing. There's some details about how to connect it, how to use it, and how you can remove this to attach the phone receivers. That's done. We'll keep this aside too. And right here in the box, which is pretty large and very classic, you can see there is the typical mobile transmitter which kind of goes onto the lower portion of the receiver, and it's got these golden contacts which will transmit the data. The same goes with this particular receiver. which is made exclusively for Apple devices. So you can actually connect, like the box says. We're going to unbox the other. Like the box says, we can use all of these. From what I know, this is the Apple. This is the USB-C. This is the TRRS, which is used in older mobile phones which have got a headphone jack. And this is for your camera. So let's go ahead, open this box, and let us see what is inside it. As you can see, this box, it's a nice little white box, and some documentation and a sticker probably there. And this is a nice little pouch to put this so it doesn't get scratched while you're transporting it. Let's see what's inside this. Okay, you've got a windscreen, aux cable, you got another USB-C to direct charge the case. This is another cable, which is a TRRS to TRS converter. I suppose you put this into the device and this into your camera. And this is again a very similar cable. This is the TRRS to TRS, and this is a TRS to TRS, which is your regular aux cable. Of course, one charging cable and a nice little pouch. The two little small things, you can feel something in here. Don't know what that is. Oh yeah, that's this. Another windscreen. So we've got two windscreens. And of course, I've taken the magnets out. These are not coming out for a while. Oh. I finally managed to separate them. Here's one, which we'll put. We've got one more here. Oof, that was fast. Let's go ahead and put these back into this device case. Looks like it goes in very neatly without a problem. I think there should be some space to keep the cable too. And these things attach to the mic using clips, just like the DJI Mic Mini 2. So let me try putting this on. Looks like it needs some time, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. I'm going to remove these magnets out, or this is not going to close, and we'll separate these two guys after the video. So in terms of documentation, I think there's just a little document strip which is inside this, probably with a sticker. Well, no sticker. It's just documentation. And of course, the silica gel. Thanks guys, and we'll see you soon. Hit the like and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.